Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to style a simple t-shirt in many different ways, because honestly we are all tired of wearing the t-shirt just the plain way. So here are some funky different ways that you may or may not have seen before, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So I'm going to start off with the basics, and I'm just going to show you guys how to get that perfect tuck. So all you need to do is gather the middle portion of the t-shirt in the bottom and then just tuck it in your t-shirt in the front, and whatever is left just fold it over so that it gives like a natural drape look, and this will ensure that you have the perfect tuck throughout the day. So the second one is something that I do a lot in almost all of my t-shirt, and that is the front knot. And all you need to do is just gather the middle portion of the t-shirt that you want to do the knot with, and then just make a simple knot, guys. And if your t-shirt is not loose enough to make a front knot, then you can just tie it with a clear rubber band and it will still give the same illusion. Now for this third one, I'm going to show you guys how to do the side knot, and it's honestly the easiest thing. All you need to do is gather some t-shirt material from the side and you just tie a knot. And I really love this one because it gives like an asymmetrical look to an otherwise simple t-shirt. So this last one is something that I just recently came across and I absolutely love it. All you need to do is fold over the side of the t-shirt, take a rubber band and just tie a knot on the inside so that you can't see anything from the outside. Now take the top portion and just fold it over so that the rubber band is completely hidden. You have like this scrunched up detail on one side, and honestly I've seen so many tops online which comes with a detail like this, and how cool is it that we can actually do the same thing at home just with a simple rubber band. So this next one is probably the simplest one. So if you have a v-neck t-shirt like this, then you probably can do an off the shoulder. So here I'm just pulling both sides of the shoulders from the neck, and I just pulled it down, and there you go, you have your instant off the shoulder, and it just makes the plain top a lot more dressier. So this next one is something you guys must have seen me do a lot of too, and all I do is just pair a cami top on top of a plain t-shirt. Here I've just taken a cami top which has a nice lace detail, and it just makes it a lot more dressier, and it's just such a perfect way of layering in summer because you're not going to feel very hot either. So let's admit it, guys, we have bought many tops just because they were super cute, but we can't really wear them outside because either they are too low cut in the front or something. So the best way to wear it is you can wear it with a t-shirt inside, and what I've done in the bottom is whatever exposed part of the t-shirt was there, I've just tucked it underneath the crop top so that you can't really see it, and this way it just looks like the crop top just came with the plain white t-shirt inside, and it just looks really great. So for this next one, I've just taken a plain white shirt, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and tuck the shirt inside all throughout, front and back. Then here I've just taken a belt just to cinch in my waist a little bit, and there you go, you have such a nice fun casual look, and I just really love this one. It's just super casual. You can do this with a maxi skirt too. Now this next one is definitely one of my favorites, and here I'm just tucking the back of the t-shirt instead of doing the front of the t-shirt, and this is for someone like me who doesn't really have a lot of back. So this kind of gives an illusion that you do have a back because it's just such a flattering tuck. It looks good on anyone. It helps enhance your best features on your body, gives an illusion of curves. So I really love this one. It also looks great on pictures, guys, trust me. So guys, those were all the different ways to wear a plain white t-shirt. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comments down below if you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.